Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the minimal prep. Select the cells containing the text you want cleaned. Once selected, try the fastest method. Press Ctrl+H to open Find and Replace. Put a single space in Find and leave Replace blank, then Replace All. That trims ordinary spaces instantly. Make sure to save a copy first if you might need the originals. If you need more control, like keeping some spaces or handling non-breaking spaces, switch to the formula or flash fill method next. Now handle numbers and special spaces. If you want to remove digits as well, use an Office 365 formula. Equals text join, true filter mid A1 sequence len A1, 1 not is number mid A1 sequence len A1, 1. This keeps letters and symbols only. Once done, to catch non-breaking spaces, use equals substitute, A1 char 160, then run the space removal. Make sure to copy formulas down your column, then paste as values when satisfied. So result finish by replacing formulas with values. Copy the cleaned column, then paste special right arrow values to lock changes. Once done, verify a few cells to confirm only desired characters remain. If patterns are consistent, Flash Fill, Ctrl+E can auto-extract the clean text without formulas. If you still see stubborn characters, run a short VBA macro to remove char, 160, and all digits, or inspect for hidden formatting. Troubleshooting tip. If replacements don't work, check for non-breaking spaces and remove them first. That usually fixes silent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.